Ah, Mr. Green, I presume.
Yeah.
I'm Gordon Victus. My apologies, Mr. Green, but we are closed at this hour. Hence why I'm sitting here, guard dog as I am. Woof.
Right. Would you mind opening the gate now?
Would I mind? Why, of course not, Mr. Green. Of course not. A quick question before you go, though, if I may.
Yeah?
I have 3 heads. Cut off 1, I become stronger. Cut off 2, I become 10. Who am I?
What?
Think on it. You go on in now.
What the hell?
Mr. Green, was it? Seems you're late. My father used his heart for a compass once again, I see.
He insisted I be compensated for today's misunderstanding.
Well, he is a gentleman. This morning, couldn't shake a feeling of deja vu. Do I know you from somewhere?
Doubt it, sir. I'm from a...
Farmer's boy, south of New Reed, I heard. Why, Johannesburg, Copperhead?
Tannerson.
Is that right? Huh, interesting.
Yeah? Why is that?
Not a lot of...
Winston, you're back. How did it go?
Well, all things considered...
He's late.
Give the man a break, Donnie. Remember your first day here.
Hardly comparable. Oh, wait a second. What do you mean, first day?
Winston, I've done some thinking. We could use another hand.
For the love of...
Don't mind Donnie, he'll come around, you'll see.
Thank you, sir.
Don't mention it. Well, it's getting late. See you Monday morning?
You bet. Donovan, what's his problem? What's that noise coming from the roof? Oh, I'm rich.
I'm not losing it, am I? No, no, there are monstrous worms right beneath us. The kind that gulp you down before you can even blink. They sense every shake, every shudder of the earth. You've got to be crafty, Palmer, if you're going to reach that emergency ration box across the block. Yes, that's it. The rooftops, they are the key.
It's all a matter of perspective. I should get this back to Mr. Palmer.
Ah, you got them. Bless you, child. Now remember, stay light on your feet. Those worms, they're always listening. Those worms, they're always listening.
Oh, another letter. The Atomic Energy Commission. Frickin' AEC. Dear Mr. Green, as a matter of national security, your request has been denied. Reckless behaviors cause great harm and forfeits any future rights to demands. The agreement was mutual. Must stress you put this topic to rest, lest we may have to take decisive and irredeemable actions. Government property. So we'll look for other collaborators on future trials. Stanley Division. I wish I never have to hear that name again.
A long day.
Off to dreamland.
We know that Winston frequently toiled late into the night, all to occupy his sharp intellect. Consider this rocket, ladies and gentlemen, a true testament to the engineering prowess of its era. Winston, for the most part, chose the solitude of his thoughts. But, dear audience, that was all about to change.
No, thank you. I said no. God damn it. Coming!